Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The grand finale of the Don Bosco Youth Center's Surkan Ud Niam Season 2 song competition concluded on July 3rd at Lajumkra, showcasing the exceptional talents of children, youth and adults from Meghalaya. Among the 47 initial contestants, 10 finalists competed fiercely for the top honors. Kid Khuborkhasi emerged victorious, claiming the first prize of 35,000, while Frankie Nongbri secured second place with 15,000 and Tia Vanessa Kurba took home 5,000 for third place. The event was graced by Ronnie Walang, MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, who commended the participants for their outstanding performances and encouraged youth to cultivate their talents further. In his speech, Ronnie Walang applauded the dedication of Reverend Father Michael Makri, Director of Don Bosco Youth Center, in nurturing the talents of young people, elevating the center to international standards. Father Makri, in turn, thanked the Salesian Society leaders for their unwavering support in fostering youth development through such initiatives. The event concluded with celebrations and accolades, marking a significant milestone in promoting musical talent among Meghalaya's youth. About 200 young people from the Raklo province met for almost a week to take part in the School for Salesian Animators, the ceremonies course and the course for readers. During this intense event, they learned how to be animators of the Salesian spirit and how to organize and live the liturgy well. The SAS is divided into 4 levels. In level 1, the youngest participants learned how to lead Salesian integration games. Level 2 introduces Salesian spirituality and the secrets of Holy Scripture. Level 3 is the acquisition of skills in scripture writing, devotions and serene evenings. Level 4 consists mainly of meetings on safety, prevention and protection of minors in our oratories, a first aid and a recreational educator course. On 27 and 28 June, the 4th level of the Salesianity course was completed at the Salesian Spirituality Inspectorial Center of the Salesian Presence in El Porvenir, Bogota. Recognized as a diploma by the Fundación University Salesiana and where the second group of 8 members of the Salesian family of Colombia was certified. Present on the closing day were Father John Gomez, COB Inspector, and Father Leonardo Gomez, Rector of the Fundación University Salesiana, as well as members of the Joint Inter-Provincial Formation Commission and the CIES thematic team. Nearly 200 young people from parishes, schools and institutions in Port Moresby and the Gulf Province gathered at the Don Bosco Technical Secondary School to participate in the One Talk Bosco event on the theme, The Dream That Makes You Dream. The first day began with various game activities followed by a talk by Father Gregorio Bicomong, Superior of the Papua New Guinea and Solomon Islands PGS Vice Province, based on the Rector Major Strena 2024 and the theme of the meeting. Father Bicomong emphasized the importance of having dreams and goals and achieving them through self-awareness and a strong relationship with God. Then there was a time of prayer and the Salesian good night. On the second day, after various dance activities, there was a talk by Dr. Anna Toti on mental health. It concluded with a special speech by the DBTS headmaster, Mr. Martin Dai. The busy day ended with a vocational talk by Father Shoji Matthew. The last day included Holy Mass presided over by Father Moise Palaku, followed by a concert by the DBTS boys. The 46th edition of the MAM, Musical Artistic Manifestations Festival, was celebrated at the Lieso San Jose in Punta Arenas, captivating participants during 2 vibrant days. This event, recognized for its fusion of music and artistic expression, established itself as an undisputed success. During the festival, regional artists perform on stage, bringing the energy of the event to its peak with a varied musical program. In addition to music and visual arts, exhibitions by local artists featured prominently in this edition, enriching the experience of the participants. The festival organizers were very pleased with the public response, emphasizing the community's unity in celebrating creativity and passion for music and art in a festive and welcoming environment. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for tuning in.